Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing your footage into a new Capcut project and trimming long silences. This reduces transcription mistakes. Once done, make sure the primary audio track is clear and not buried under music, because Capcut's transcript uses that dominant voice. If you record it externally, sync that clip now so the transcript aligns. Also, set language preferences before auto-transcribing. This improves accuracy. These first steps get you straight into a clean, reliable transcript, rather than fixing errors later. You trigger auto-transcribe and choose language and speaker separation so Capcut can detect turns in speech. This matters for multi-person clips. Then, manually review the generated text. Correct punctuation, fix homophones, and normalize proper nouns. These edits improve viewer comprehension and searchability. Once you've cleaned content, adjust each caption's duration and split long segments where the speaker pauses. This makes captions match lip movement and keeps reading speed comfortable. Make sure captions don't overlap important visual elements. You finish by choosing whether to burn captions into the video or export an SRT file for platforms that prefer separate subtitle files. Once exported, test the SRT on the target player to verify timestamps and UTF-8 encoding handle accents and symbols correctly. If the transcript accuracy is unsatisfactory, re-record or clean the audio, raise dialogue levels versus music, or manually correct the worst lines. This is faster than redoing everything. One tip: clear app cache.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.